Hello there, Music Man 0150, also known as Gary. Almost forgot my name here. Wow. Anyway, I'm back with another video, and I'm just about to have lunch. But I thought before I do that, I thought I would give you a little demonstration on the microwave itself. Since I've shown you the features already, I thought I'd go ahead and show you how it's actually running. So what I did is I'm going to have a couple of turkey and cheese sandwiches here, and what I'm going to do is put them in the microwave for probably about 40 seconds just to heat them up. So let me go ahead and open this up, and as you recall, the light comes on when you open the door. And now I'm going to get my sandwiches here. They're on a paper plate, so that way when I'm done I can just throw the paper plate away. I'll close the door, and we'll go ahead and put the light on so you can see what's in there cooking, which are the sandwiches. And we're going to go ahead and set this for 39 seconds, around 40 I'd say. So we'll go 4 and 0. Oops. The 0 is not responding. Come on. There we are. Got to hit right in the center of the button, otherwise it doesn't work right. Okay. And then down here is the start, so we're going to push that. And now you can see it cooking as it counts down the seconds. And I'm going to try to hold the camera up so that the wind doesn't blow into the microphone. Otherwise all you'll get is wind noise. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it in there, but the sandwiches are cooking. Actually, they're not really cooking, they're just heating up. I like to melt the cheese a little bit. So I usually run it about 40 seconds for sandwiches like that, just to melt the cheese. There, and as you can hear by the buzzer, it's done. So we'll go ahead and open the door, take them out, and as you can see, the cheese is melted and the sandwiches are ready to eat. So we'll put them here on the table. I got to get me a glass of milk to drink, and then I'm going to have lunch. So I hope you enjoyed that little demonstration. I know it wasn't very long, but there's really not much else to show on that. But I thought, since I shown the microwave's features, thought I'd let you see it in action as I was cooking lunch. So, hope you enjoyed that. And until next time, this is Music Man 0150 signing off. And hope you have a great day. And keep watching, because more videos are coming.